Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing how I make ginger lemonade that is great for refreshments and cleansing. If you want to know how, please keep on watching. If you love lemon and ginger like me, then this is the perfect drink for you. Making this on your own is easy and you can be sure it is fresh and organic. It is a better alternative to sugary drinks, and you can also have this either warm or cold. All you need are 4 ingredients, a little patience, and then you are set. So here we go, let's get started! First, gather all the ingredients. Let's get some water. I use this pitcher to measure my water. This way, I am sure my lemonade will not overflow once I put it in the same container later. Next, get 2 pieces of large lemons. You can add more if you want a stronger lemon flavor. Then, 2 knobs of ginger. This amount will make a stronger ginger flavor, but if you want a milder taste, just put less. And a sweetener of your choice. For me, I am using white sugar. Time to prepare everything. Chop the ginger to a size ideal for peeling. I use a peeler to remove the skin of the ginger. This will make the peeling quicker and thinner. While I am peeling the ginger, let me tell you some of its health benefits. Ginger is well known for the good things it can give to our bodies. One of which is it helps in reducing gas and improving digestion. That means it can aid in your weight loss. It is also an anti-inflammatory, which means it reduces swelling in the body. It can also relieve nausea, pain, and ease your colds. Next, roughly slice the ginger into smaller pieces. I usually put around 3 cups of ginger as I prefer my lemonade to have a strong ginger taste. You can adjust this to your preference. If you want a milder flavor, just add less. Other factors that affect the intensity of the flavor is the time you boil the ginger and how long you steep it in the water. Time to squeeze the lemons. Cut them in wedges to squeeze them easily. You can use a lemon squeezer or juicer if you have one, but if not, it's totally fine to squeeze them by hand. To get the most juice out, roll the lemon for a few seconds on the chopping board to loosen the pulp before squeezing. Like the ginger, lemon also has benefits to our bodies. Lemon is one of the good sources of vitamin C, and it promotes hydration. It also supports weight loss and fends off bloating. I use 1/2 cup of white sugar to sweeten my juice, but you can also use honey or other sweetener. Pour the water and ginger into a pot. Put it on high heat and bring to a boil. Once it started to bubble, set the timer and let it boil for 2 minutes. Just a reminder, the longer you boil the ginger, the stronger the flavor will be. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat. If you are using sugar, mix and stir it right after boiling. For other sweeteners or honey, add them after steeping the ginger. Let the ginger mixture to steep in the pot for 50 minutes. Make sure you don't steep it for more than 1 hour, as it will have a weird aftertaste. Pour the lemon juice to your container and then transfer your ginger mixture. You can enjoy a warm glass now or let it cool in the fridge for a while. After a couple of hours, the ginger lemonade is ready. You can keep this fresh for a week in the fridge. It is best to add some ice to make it more refreshing, especially during the summertime. Now, it's time to drink and enjoy. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also leave suggestions in the comments down below. This has been Staple Hobby. Hopefully this helps your everyday staple chores feel more like a hobby. Paalam!